It's very, very tall, so I have to raise.
Here you won't get coffee.
So 2 bottles, guys.
Alright.
Look at our salad.
Menos que tu cabeza.
This is good.
There's a special kind of love.
Hey guys, good morning. How you guys doing? So guys, we are having a little fiesta, like a party. Wait, let me go out for this excavator. Yamako, say hi.
Hello everybody.
Guys, this is our chef for today.
Yeah.
He's going to cook Italian recipe for Italian delicious meal for us. So this is
Hopefully,
our guest though that want to cook. Alright guys, I will gist you guys later. Hi guys, how you guys doing? Yo cocino.
Bueno, para la tarde, ¿no?
No, ahora yo.
Hola.
Pilar, ¿le conozco?
Ah, Pilar, sí.
¿Le conoces
Hola,
a
Pilar.
Pilar también.
Yeah, we are going
Vamos
for
a
like
casa de
an
los
excursion, but
A comer en
our
italiano.
friend Jamako is going to cook Italian
Vamos
recipe
a hablar en
for us
italiano
today.
mientras comemos, además. Seguro, seguro, sí. Bye. Lo
Gracias.
intentaremos y lo conseguiremos.
Aún.
Gerarte.
So guys, come with us. You are going to spend this afternoon with us. It's afternoon already, so I started this vlog this afternoon. Okay, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is enjoyment day, guys. Come, let's enjoy it together. Let's enjoy it together. All right.
Life is turn by turn.
Grace Place Concept.
Life is turn by turn. No, yeah.
Yes, we have arrived here. Oh, look at this beautiful view. I just want you guys to view our city, our town, and I can't even find my house. Well, look at our big sea. Let me go and help them. Let me go.
Tomate, claro, por ahí estará igual el tomate también.
Quite.
¿Dejado el móvil allí? Sí.
Jamako, please come and tell my fans, what did you want to cook for us today? I think we should turn this way because of the sun. Jamako is very, very tall, so I have to raise my hand very well.
So, good morning everybody. Today I'm going to cook like a sauce. This is from my region. It's from the city of Bologna. And it will be with tomato sauce and how do you say, like meat, grinded meat.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it cow, beef, or pork?
It's beef and pork.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, we mix it. But you can do it only with, like, for example, for Muslim friends, I do it only with beef.
Okay.
Or yes.
All right. So guys, keep watching so that you see the delicious food. Our guest is our guest, but he wants to cook for us. We're supposed to cook for our guests, but it's in the other way around, so he's cooking for us. So later, guys, I'll be showing you
I'm happy.
everything.
I'm also happy to give something to the people that are hosting me. This is why.
Oh, thank you. All right.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone.
This house is so fine. Kind of my dream house. Look at the view. Let me tell you, the view from here. Oh my God, it's so nice, guys. So nice. Everywhere here is so beautiful. So beautiful. I don't want to film somebody's apartment, okay?
So you know, like in Italy, when we do a sauce, normally we do the base first.
Okay.
For the base, we do something that's called soffritto, which is just to put some oil to warm it up and then put three things mainly. Then you can add also other stuff depending from the sauce. But the base is to put onion, celery, and carrots.
Okay.
Now I will cut these things small, then I will put it on a pan with oil, and this will be the base for the sauce.
Lo corta muy pequeñito, lo puedo cortar yo con cuchillo, si quieres un poco más grande, porque mira que es que no sale nada. Se queda todo ahí, lo hago yo.
You see, like it has this shape, so I use this shape to reduce it even further. So I put it like this, and first you make very small cut like this, and I don't cut the hole so that they stay like attached all together, you know. And then you cut it all, and then you do like this, so they are already very small. You see?
Yeah.
This is the trick that I learned.
Okay, that's good. Our mama is busy. Our mama, the mama.
And this is celery. So before, wait, I show you also what I like. So you know the celery, you have like this kind of tube. I don't know how they call it in English. Okay, but
Okay.
so they are very hard. Sometimes they stick into the between the teeth, and it's not pleasant. So to remove them, it's very easy. You do it like this from both sides.
Yeah.
You see, and it's natural. They come out, or even if they don't come out entirely, but still this part is it's softer. You see?
Yeah. You're even eating it like that.
Yeah. You can eat it raw, it's good. You can make salad out of celery. You don't like it.
I've not eaten it before.
So now, for your blog, you can eat it for the first time ever.
Yeah. Try something new, guys. I've not eaten raw celery before. In fact, I've not eaten celery before.
Oh, yes.
No me corto.
Not bad.
Yes. It's very healthy. If you eat it in the morning, you know the smoothies.
Yeah.
I think that your follower will love it if you show how to do smoothies and stuff. You know, it's very easy. It's
And it tastes good, right? I thought maybe it will have one kind of...
No.
It tastes good. There is this thing we have in Nigeria. We call it sugar cane.
Ah, no, this is very different. This is super
No, like
sweet.
sugar cane is so sweet.
Yes.
But this one, like the way you bite the sugar cane, the way it sounds.
Yeah.
The way it sounds.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Wow.
But for me, it's too sweet. Too sweet, sugar cane.
And I like it a lot.
La caña de azúcar, comerla así.
Okay, sugar cane is in Brazil.
Brazil, Cuba, all the Americas, they use, you know, they did the plantation with slaves.
Yeah.
To do it. And it was majorly, it was sugar cane, it was tobacco, coffee, these kind of things. It's a horrible part of the history.
Yeah.
So to cut the celery,
No,
first you cut
Ayudante.
it like through
Like
in the same direction, and then
Señor.
in order not to cut your finger, you use your fingers to lead the blade. You know, like with these two fingers, you can hold these, and with this one, you do like this. So
explícame bien.
you know, so the blade doesn't cut your fingers because
Wow.
you have like this. You know,
Yeah, you have
this,
to go like this
and then you move it through this.
Ah, okay. The blade will step like
Yes,
here.
so you don't cut it like this.
Yeah.
I didn't show it well. Wait, let me do it better.
Okay.
With
Okay.
you see,
Yeah.
so that the blade cannot cut your finger. You can move as much as you want, as hard as you want, but you won't cut your finger.
Wow. So our mama is almost done. Is almost done with the carrot.
¿Cuánto vas a poner?
Dos.
Ah, dos.
What is this called in Spanish?
Zanahoria.
Zanahoria. This what is this called?
Apio.
You don't know. I hear the rush. Apio. Okay.
No, we do find this
Es
way
como
now.
happy, pero terminas con O. Ya.
You see, like this part of the blade, it makes like that so that you can do pressure here, you won't get cut, and then you can cut it like.
Yeah. Because I have to learn, because in the future I want to go to catering school so that I will have an idea.
Yeah.
So I will not fail my exam. So I will not fail.
You know that for oil we have 3 different qualities. We have like olive oil, virgin olive oil, and extra virgin olive oil. I always use extra virgin.
Yeah, I
olive
think
oil.
extra virgin olive oil is much more healthy. I don't know.
Is the best quality, and this is important because it keeps the heating.
Okay.
With normal oil, it could heat too much and then it burns the food, and it's also very unhealthy for the body. You know, it can even cause cancer in a long term. So it's very important that we know how to heat the oil properly and not like too much.
Okay. Because when I was in Italy, when I was working with them in the kitchen, I would see they don't heat their oil very well. It just hot a little bit, and they have already start using it.
Yes, because if it's too much and it burns, then it will be very, very unhealthy.
This is the quantity.
Y este no es mejor para
Yo
ese
creo que
tamaño.
tenemos que, for example, the temperature.
Moscatue. Es moscatue.
You see, it starts, but it's not too warm again, but it's okay. I will wait a little bit more, maybe 10
Yo
seconds
que
or
trae
something.
una, aunque sea un chacolí que hemos traído nosotros, ¿sabes?
Sí, sí. Empezar alegres.
¿Y contentos?
Sí. You see.
¿Y por qué no hay chacolí?
Okay, yeah.
De esto.
So when it's like that, I like it. I put it. A wooden spoon, is there any?
Wooden spoon.
Este es el chacolí de...
And also very important, now I reduce the flame, you know?
Yeah.
Now that it's already at a good point, I reduce the flame. And I do like this so that it won't burn.
Sorry, Mirelo.
Y ahora le vamos a poner.
Cebolla.
It's not important if you put first the celery or the onion or carrot. I mean, they go all together.
Okay.
Yes. ¿Y tenemos la trampa para esto?
¿La qué? No sé.
Yes.
Por nosotros.
Y put
Venga.
Salud.
me empty cup. I beg, give me my drink, make I pour my own. Ooh.
Sweet oh. This one be like that your drink. Test am.
I'm not sure that I'll drink it.
No, test am.
Okay, my taste. This man, no give me alcohol.
Like that your apple drink.
EJ!
Yeah, oh.
Es que yo me doy mucha área de
Goodness.
pero
Ah,
Yo creo
¿cómo?
que lo estás haciendo, pero de lujo, de verdad, ¿eh?
that's what they call it, rico,
Yo no soy
rico.
una persona
es que
que
nos
This is
italianos
sweet.
si nos meten patadas y como hacemos algo de error así como desde niño. have some meat, grinded meat. How do you call it?
It's a grounded meat.
Grinded meat. We have half is pork, half is beef. I already like mixed it. And to give more flavor, I will put also a sausage. It could be a pork sausage, for example. This is a beef sausage, but it could be a pork sausage with no problem.
Okay.
So we just put it like.
Okay, you mix everything together again.
Yes. Now maybe I need your help, like just to lift the. Yes.
Ooh, mira.
So I waited like how much it will, like 10 minutes we waited.
Yeah,
like,
it's like 10 minutes
like
because
this, just like make it like this becomes very soft.
yeah.
I always like stir a little bit to see. Now finally I start putting the meat. Now since I touched the meat, what I do now is cleaning well my hands, because with meat it comes with blood, there can be even like something dangerous if it's not cooked. So
Yeah.
I will press this and I wash my hands.
There's no soap here.
It's not soap.
Yeah. Damaco is teaching us an Italian recipe. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I will put some. Whenever I touch meat, and before touching anything else, I clean with soap and very hot water. So the bacteria and these kind of things they die.
Yeah. So right now there is no salt, nothing. It's just the carrots,
Yes.
onions, and
Celery.
Celery. Yeah. Now the meat.
No.
Okay. Guys, this food, I love it. When I was living in Italy, but I don't know how to cook it, so I am learning something new recipe for my kids. And
Yes, like to do Nigerian food, you can even do this sauce, and then you can eat it even with
rice.
fufu. Yes, with rice.
Fufu.
Yes, you can use it as a
with
sauce.
yam as well.
Yes,
With
yes.
yam, like the plantain we eat the other day with yam. You can easily
Exactly.
eat it with it as well.
Yes, why not? Now, as you can see, for now, the bottom is clean, like there is no water. But now they will release from the fat. The meat releases some
Water on its own.
So what we are doing now is to put a little bit of water to come out,
Okay.
and then we do it with high flame, so it will soon.
Okay.
Now I stir because it's supposed to get the heat and the alcohol goes away, right?
Le da un toque un poco más amargo, menos dulce.
Sí.
Le quita la dulzura, digamos. El alcohol.
You see it like this, is the alcohol is coming. If you put fire, it will be like now. But it must not be like this. Usually it's like that.
So guys, we are learning new recipe. Hey!
You see, just
If it comes to food, I'm always happy and dancing because I love food. I love food though. And I love trying new things.
It disappears again.
Yeah. Are you not going to close it? Because once you close it, the heat can also bring out like the sauce from the...
Exactly. And before closing it, I will just add the last thing, which is this one. No, baby, now we add
Es
this.
gorda, ¿eh?
Sí, sí, sí. Igual. No lo veo mucho. como
pinch
así.
of salt.
Yes. You see now it's already releasing like the water.
Yeah.
Que me parece que, perdón, que no le puse mucho. No,
Sí,
me habría alucinada.
Yo estoy
Lo
con la
poco que-
boca abierta.
Alucinada. Aparte de guapo,
Eso es.
Tengo que abrir una...
aparte de guapo, buen cocinero.
Ya, en el futuro de mujer no trabajo mucho en cocina. Cuando ella dice,
Y nosotros
no quiero
estamos-
cocina,
No te preocupes, cariño, yo te lo hago yo.
like cannot serve you. They cannot serve you. Your wife cannot serve you. Say, oh, I don't want to
Jesús
cook.
Mari cocina mejor que yo.
Sí. Es que a mí, fíjate que no es que sea...
Él es mejor comedor.
¿Quién?
Yo, Jesús Mari, cocina mejor que yo. Hay cosas que yo...
No sabe. Yo también. Hay cosas no sabe lo que sabe más.
¿Seguro?
Yo soy de
Pero
cocinar.
él cocina mejor que yo. O sea, no vamos a... No voy a discutir eso.
Y ahora bajamos we lower the fire. Now
Now we are going to have the
tomato
tomatoes, okay?
You want to show it like...
¿Cómo no?
Yeah, don't worry, I can show it.
Preparado de esta manera, como no va a estar rico.
Que líquido,
Okay.
pero está bien.
Coge una cuchara.
Now they do. My husband. What is the name of this sauce?
Vito,
Ragu.
Ragu. Ah,
But
yeah.
like outside of Italy, they call it Bolognese because it was made in Bologna.
Okay, we have to add 2 bottles of the tomatoes.
Yes, you can look with that. There are people that add. So we ask our
The strong man.
hero.
vamos a dejar toda la producción.
So 2 bottles, guys.
Or
We have
I will put 1 bottle and a half for now.
Okay, 1
To
and a
see
half.
like the color and then I decide.
Okay.
Pues se conserva como la de...
Those things we got today, all of the others are
Yeah,
Sistema igual.
everything there.
I think this is enough actually.
Okay. We have to.
Equal.
They will not increase the heat again.
Que te he olvidado.
Yes, I want it to be like bubble and then I will put it maybe here because it must be very slow the heat. Very less.
Like this, you can serve it with the pasta. You can like serve the pasta separate and dish it on top.
Yes.
Guys, a girl is smiling. A girl is happy. Hey, guys, it's been long. I want to eat Italian food again. Today is like a dream come true again because I love Italian pasta. Their sauce is very, very nice. I really, really love it. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy. Once YouTube start paying me, I'll have to pay, okay? Once YouTube pay me, I'll call you. Jamako, come, let's go for vacation. Okay? Let me take you to Dubai.
But you see now it's not like liquid like before.
Yeah.
So now we just leave it and close it and give it some more time.
Okay. All right. So Jamako have been so busy since. So I just wanted to see his face. It's a stressed face for now.
No, it's not stress. We are enjoying the time. We're drinking chacoli, which is the local wine from here.
Okay.
Meanwhile, the sauce is cooking. I don't have to do anything for now.
Yeah.
We only miss to drop the pasta and then it will be done. So,
Okay. Later, once we is it after we eat, we are going to the swimming pool or what?
No, if you want, you have to go now because you have to collect your children soon.
No, I don't need to go now because once I enter that water, I have 1 hour to carry.
Yes.
my boy.
For me, it's not like swimming pool time.
No, it's not swimming pool time. Okay, later, guys, we'll be going to the swimming pool. Jamako will teach me and my husband how to swim. Jamako will be our teacher for today. Only you come now, come and vlog now. You come. Hey guys, how you can do like So guys, I want to go and pick Yobosa from school so we can come and eat our pasta. Oh my god. Oh, look at our.
¿Qué es eso?
Wow, ¿cómo se llama este? ¿Cómo se llama?
Pastel de arroz.
Pastel arroz. Bien. Bueno, hasta
turn by turn.
Grace Plays Concept.
Life is turn by turn. No ya ye me isaya kwegi robo manapo. Obo sae no je. Life is turn by turn. Life is turn by turn. No ya ye me isaya kwegi robe manapo. Obo sae no je. My brother man, be your brother's keeper. It could be your turn today, another man tomorrow. Cause life is turn by turn. Life is turn by turn. It could be your turn today, another man tomorrow. My brother man, be your brother's keeper.
Who cares? Like me, most of the time I don't wear makeup while I film my videos because I know I'm naturally beautiful. I don't really need
That's
those
it.
things. I know, because there was a time I feel that because my friends would tell me that, oh, you are not so beautiful, you know. Then I start using cream, change my skin, and I feel when I change my skin, but I was not comfortable because my finger would be so black, like a plantain, like what Lucky said yesterday, like an overripe plantain, you know. So I'm not comfortable wearing sandals in summer. Like I will be shy to always open my hand outside. So, but when I later think of it, when we moved here, we were living. I was so dark because my skin is like trying to come back again, repairing itself and all that. So since then I told myself I don't care whatsoever people will tell me about my skin, about my color, about whatsoever, but the most important thing that I am beautiful. I know I am beautiful, so I don't really need to
I
impress.
like how I am.
Yeah, I don't need to impress anybody because I want to be this. So this is me. Take me the way I am. If he doesn't like me like this,
The only people that has that is important to be happy with your rest it's you.
yeah, yeah.
The world doesn't matter in this
No,
case.
no, they don't.
Kaicho, Yobo-san.
Say kaisho.
Hola.
Okay, look at our salad. Yummy. The pasta.
We were waiting for you because if you leave it too long, it becomes soft and it's not good.
Ah, okay. Okay.
So first I put some salt for the
Okay.
pasta. This is just water, boiling water. First I waited to be boiling.
Okay.
Then I put some
Salt.
salt. And now we do the pasta.
Okay.
Since we are 6 people, normally it's 100 grams per person. So now I will do 1 packet and a half. This is like 500 grams, but I do a little bit more.
Okay.
Un auténtico italiano.
Sí.
Espero que salga bien, porque con toda esta responsabilidad que me están dando a nivel internacional.
No. Tú has dicho yo cocino. Ahora no puedes escuchar. Eso es así.
Porca tus andes.
Okay.
Can you put alarm clock 9 minutes? Or I put it, I will put it.
Okay.
It's just, I read like on the package, it was written 9 minutes, so I will put just 9 minutes here in my alarm clock.
Okay.
And in 9 minutes it will be ready.
Okay. Our chef, our teacher. Hi. Say hi, guys.
My name is.
Yeah, remove your hand. Say hi. Hi.
Gusaben? Sorry. Sorry, amen.
You go. If you dey fear, yes, I know I go.
Sorry? Amen. Beijo. Amen, beijo, eh?
No, solo.
Big boy.
Ya.
Muy bien. Sí.
Venga. Y Jan aquí.
Oni o yobo sabeg.
Sí, 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 gracias.
Oh, muy bien.
Un hurra por el cocinero.
Hurra! Muy bien. Guys, our food is ready. Our food is set. Guys, it was just a salt that he used to prepare this pasta and Bolognese. It was just salt that he used. It tastes really amazing. So he's the one serving everybody as well. He's serving everybody. So guys, we host this in one of our mama's house because she has space outside. You can see the garden there. We can sit there and enjoy ourselves. So she has space outside. So that's why we come here, because it's very far from our side. It's like a little bit of outskirt of our own city, you know, our own small city. So it's like the outskirt. So yeah, our house is really amazing and it has a beautiful view, guys. And we really enjoy ourselves. The food was delicious. We enjoyed the visit and all the stuff. I don't really come to this place all the time. It's only my husband that to go. So this is my pasta, guys. So yeah, keep enjoying the video.
Is it yum yum?
Let me try by.
Gozo, Eneco.
Gozo.
¿Eh?
Gozo.
Gozo.
¿Puedo tirar una foto para, ¿cómo se dice? Para acordarme, como de souvenir.
Para mi blog.
Yo no tengo blog, pero...
Can go to. I'm going to. So guys, we were eating when we checked the time. It's time for we to go and pick Nosa and Isosa. So right now, I'm going to enter the car. We are going to pick them. Okay. I see. Put on your seat belts, success. Put on seat belts before I forget. Okay. Ooh, today is really hot, guys. Today is extreme hot. Ooh, muy calor. Your chocolate.
It's chocolate? Okay.
Now we can go and eat peacefully.
Bueno, depende de los niños.
No, like Nosa and I say, if they want to eat, they sit down. It's only Yobosa.
Sí, así sí.
Yeah, it's only Yobosa that does not understand things now. But Nosa and I say, if they want to eat, they sit down.
Vale. Perfecto.
Menos que tu cabeza.
This is called merengue. This is called
blando.
merengue.
Es blando eso, mira.
Ah, vale.
Merengue. Did you see this? Merende.
También lleva huevo.
Merenda time. No, na merenda I call it be deserve time.
Tira eso.
Deserve, right?
Sí.
¿Tú qué? ¿Café solo?
So guys, we have closed from our enjoyment. Yeah, hi. So we are going home now and it's late already. So we have to go home and rest and also do other things. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching our today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like. Please leave a comment in the comment section for Jamako to see. For Jamako to see, and also leave a comment in the comment section for him and give him a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for our new subscribers, because we have new subscribers. Thank you so much guys. We really appreciate your support. And for my old subscribers, you guys, you are amazing. And my returning viewers, you guys are amazing. Bye.
¡Hala, el camión!
Bye.